let's talk about a math tool you use every single day, probably without even realizing it.
So, let's start with a little puzzle. You probably know the answer, but how do we prove it?
The answer? It's a powerful idea called a proportion. So, let's dive in.
So, what exactly is a proportion? It's just a statement saying two ratios are equal.
Ratios can look like this, with a colon, or they can look like a fraction. Same thing.
See how 2/4 equals 4/8? In a proportion, everything's balanced, because they both simplify to 1/2.
Okay, let's take this idea and solve that notebook puzzle from the beginning.
Step 1. Set up your proportion. We've got notebooks over cost on both sides.
Next up, we cross-multiply. You just multiply the numbers diagonally across that equal sign.
And boom. A little quick math, and we solve for x. The answer is 10.
So there it is. 5 notebooks are going to cost you $10. Pretty straightforward, right?
But why does this work? What's the secret rule that makes this trick possible every time?
This is the big idea. In any true proportion, the cross products are always equal. It's a simple algebraic rule, and it's a super powerful shortcut for these problems.
Okay, so why does any of this matter outside of, a math class?
The answer is they're literally everywhere. They help us make sense of the world around us. I mean, think about scaling a recipe, converting money when you travel, even reading a map.
Honestly, it's a foundational tool. It unlocks so much in math, science, and just problem solving.
So now you know. What problem will you solve with proportions? Keep an eye out for them.